This video series, it's all about cloud security, but not in the context of getting logs or flows like VPC flows from the cloud, which I have done several videos on, or running your QReader instance or parts of QReader on Azure, AWS, Google, etc. It is all about containers, container security, Linux system security, and in particularly SysFlow. So you probably are familiar with this document whose link is in the video description of all my videos. If you download that and you look here for Kubernetes, you should get to this section in here, right? So this is the video I'm recording right now. This is an introductory part in case that you want to understand what is all about this Kubernetes business and what does it bring and what are the security implications of it. This is an optional video that you can actually take. It's 12 minutes long. Basically, I explain the difference between the virtualization as we are so used to it and this new way of doing containers and the implications on security that is all about portability, not security itself. So again, an optional, but probably you'll find interesting video. The next one is a fairly, I would say, important SysFlow whiteboard in which I explain the issues that we have with collecting logs from Linux system, whether they are with containers or not, and what SysFlow is all about. I think it's going to be very enlightening about understanding why this is so important. And then the last three videos are short videos in which I do an attack. Well, this one I don't do an attack per se, but I do an action on a container and I show how SysFlow is container aware. In the next one I do a simple attack into a host, and in the last I do an attack from a container that because it installed a security module on the kernel, every container, every host, all in that machine, not every host, but the host and everything else that is hosted on that machine is actually compromised as well. I think that these videos will definitely improve if you are not familiar with these technologies, particularly with SysFlow. I think that this video series you'll find fairly interesting.